It is easy to stay motivated initially when you've just started your health journey, but consistency needs discipline. Fear not, FPN is here to help you with that. In this video, we shall see 5 ways in which you can start your health journey as well as stay easily consistent on it. Hello, welcome back to Full Plate Nutrition. This is Disha Gada, degree in nutrition and dietetics and advanced diploma in weight loss and weight management. You know I am legit. With this channel, it is my aim to impart you with correct knowledge about nutrition and exercise so that you can conquer health. I aim to upload once or twice in a week. So if that's of interest to you, please go down there and hug the subscribe button. And now let's get on to the video. We have always heard that to achieve good health, we have to eat good food and stay consistent. हजारों टिप्स पता है weight loss की, but the problem is एक महीने तो कर लेंगे, but consistent कैसे रहेंगे? You can open your YouTube channel and there are thousands of videos on tips of how to lose weight, what to eat, how to eat correct and what not. But the problem that most people face is consistent कैसे रहना है, because unless you are not consistent, you are not going to achieve any goals no matter how many easy tips you follow. So fear not, FPN is here to help you with that. In this video, we shall see 5 tips of how you can start your health journey, stay consistent and make it your lifestyle. So tip number 1 is start small and then gradually build up. Now whenever we start a new habit or whenever we start something new, it is our tendency to go all in, सब कुछ कर लेंगे, because starting में we are highly motivated. कल से no chai, no sugar, no tea, no alcohol, no outside food. In short, कल से जीना ही बंद कर दो. Problem solved. Of course, I'm just kidding. But once that initial high wears off, once that initial motivation wears off, we just crash. It's like bungee jumping without a parachute or without any safety. And this is where the trouble begins. Now, if you've had a very sedentary lifestyle always, if you've slightly been active, not much, I will advise you to start slow. ये सब motivational videos and influencers का big words, big things, big goals सुन के तुरंत से शुरू मत हो जाओ. I've seen so many influencers and motivational speakers telling you to aim big, do this, do that, and then if you fail at it, you will feel like a loser or somebody who cannot achieve anything in life. Start with making small changes that are only visible to you for your benefit and not the world. You do not have to flaunt your journey to anyone. अरे यार कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, it's fine, let it be. You know, I had read the idea is just to show up. So start slowly. If you've never worked out in your life, start with 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, slow intensity and then gradually build up on it. Just because आपने किसी को बोला अरे मैंने gym लगा दिया, and then if you don't go for half hour, 1 hour over there, you will think that people are going to talk about you, they are going to judge you. Forget it, you decide your intensity. So always start slow, be it 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, do whatever you like and then gradually build up upon the intensity. It is said that it takes 21 to 40 days to form any habit. So see, start slowly. Start with showing up every single day for 21 to 40 days and you will see that exercise actually becomes your habit. So for the first 21 days, your goal is not to work out for 35 to 40 minutes, not to feel sore, not to sweat it out, nothing. Your goal is just to get dressed and show up for your workout. For 21 days, the goal should just be that today I have to get ready and I just have to show up on the mat. It's okay even if you don't work out, just show up. And you will see that half the battle is already won. And it goes same for your diet. No need to create large deficits right from the start. Start by creating small deficits in your meal, what you are comfortable with, and then you can increase the range. Please do not follow any 1200, 1300, 1500 calorie plan just because you've read somewhere that it is going to show results. No, that's a result for somebody else. Probably for you, start with a small deficit of 100 to 200 calories and then slowly build up upon that. So the first tip is to start small, gradually build up. Do not worry what other people are going to think. That is not their journey, it is yours. You decide your intensity. My second tip is discipline over motivation. It is almost impossible for anyone to stay motivated all the time. Initially, you will highly be motivated. Half the josh, hi sir, and then what? Then with such a hectic lifestyle and such a stressful life, you will see that that motivation slowly starts to go down. Our life is not a straight line, and thank God for that. You will see that you always have some functions coming up, maybe PMS, or there is increased workload, or some days you just have to miss something because of some emergency reasons, and that's when the motivation goes out of the window. Hence, it is very important to form a habit, as I have discussed in the above point. There will obviously be days when the motivation is negative, but if you formed a habit and a discipline out of it, you will suck it up anyway and show up. Just because you are building a healthy lifestyle and you think you're doing something good and healthy for yourself, do not expect that you'll always be motivated or in good mood to do it. In fact, there will always be days when you're feeling so anxious and demotivated because probably you're not seeing any results on your journey. So then what? So always focus on the end goal instead of the temporary feeling that is going on. And please stay away from this toxic hustle culture. रोज वर्कआउट करना है, रोज सही खाना है, फलाना ढमका, can't skip your workout, can't eat outside and what not. Yes, you have to stay disciplined. Yes, you have to form a habit. Yes, you have to show up on the days when you're not feeling like it. But when it is extreme, when you know that it's just not possible, when you're extremely stressed, when you think that workout is actually going to add another stress to your lifestyle instead of making it better, please skip it. It's fine. That's what discipline and habit is. That you know that when you have to do it and when you can skip it. You do not need motivation, good feeling, bad feeling that is controlling all of this. That's why I always say, किसी को बताने के लिए, कुछ जताने के लिए, कुछ prove करने के लिए, you're not doing all of this. You are doing this for yourself. So decide your intensity, your pace, your discipline, your habit. Please work with your body, not against it. Now my third tip is that be accountable. Now it is a known fact, we are more accountable when we have to answer to somebody. We are more disciplined when we are accountable. So find a fitness buddy, a friend or a family member who will support you. This will help you a lot. बोलते हैं ना, असली मज़ा तो सबके साथ आता है. But as I discussed previously, you do not have to do all this to show to anyone that you're doing this. So you have to find a partner who is as disciplined, motivated or on the same journey as you. They should also have a positive outlook towards this journey, or probably they are also taking the same journey with you, forming the same habit, same discipline, so that in case if you go off track, then you have somebody whom you have to answer and you know that they are also going to feel bad if you do that, and that will give you a good push to form the discipline or the habit. So when you are down, they will push you, but at the same time when the times are great, you can celebrate your victories with them. You can plan your meals together, you can plan your workouts together, you can schedule days together. And you know what? When you unlock your first push-up, pull-up, you know there is somebody who can share this news with you. And in case if you cannot find a partner who is as positive as you or who has good intentions for you, this is why I always stress to get a health coach. Sure, Google and YouTube will give you all the information needed, all the numbers needed, all the workouts needed, but it lacks the human touch and the feelings. The feeling of sharing your thoughts, difficulties, victories, disappointments, bad feeling, good feeling with somebody, that has a completely different touch to your journey. Also, they will be there to guide you through it, to give you the correct measures to correct it, and if there's a victory, they will be there to celebrate it with you. Trust me, this is the best investment of your time, money, efforts that you're going to do on yourself. Tip number 4, have short-term goals and not the long-term ones. Probably it may take 6 months for you to lose 20 kgs, let's say. Now thinking about such a huge journey, thinking about continuing exercise and workout and diet for 6 months when you've not even started or when you have such a sedentary lifestyle, just to think about that journey becomes extremely overwhelming. And this is when you do not even feel like taking the first step, because what's the use, 6 महीने तक कौन disciplined रहने वाला है, right? That's what your feeling is at that moment. मन में ही इतना सोच लेते हो, जर्नी के बारे में इतना गाड़ी भगा लेते हो, that in real life there is no energy left to take any actions. And that's when you approach your goals with fear instead of enthusiasm. Instead of thinking such long term, think about the near future. Instead of thinking of the 6 months, think about the next 1 month. What are your goals for the first month? What are the habits you are going to form? What is the discipline that you want? Like I said, the goal for the first month is just to show up. Not to hit your macros, not to lose weight, not to gain muscle, not to achieve your goals, nothing. The first month is just showing up, feeling good about yourself, feeling good about doing this and forming a discipline. Once you have achieved this for the first month, that's when you can start planning for the second month. By doing this, you've broken the long journey into small pit stops which are more enjoyable, doable and achievable. After all, it is said, na, journey is more beautiful than the destination. Cherish your short-term goals, achieve them, and you will not even realize when do they magnify and multiply. It's truly like compounding. Now my fifth tip is to stick to small rules. Now exercise and following a diet should not be difficult, tough, hard, only then it's going to work. You can make small rules for yourself. You can make some baseline rules according to your capacity and intensity and how much you can do. Bare minimums like I will work out at least 3 times in a week no matter what, or I will not eat outside food more than 2 times in a week. As you can see, they are very small, minuscule, doable, and then you can set these according to your requirements, your goals and your lifestyle. And please be true to yourself when you make these. As it is said that boon boon se sagar banta hai. So if you've set these, make sure that you stick to it, and over time you will see that these small changes have culminated into big results. And just because these are small changes, small rules, that does not mean that okay, today I can skip it or ये week चलेगा अगर नहीं हुआ इतना छोटा सा तो है. That's when you have to realize the importance of small changes. That is why I have told you to build small habits, so that it's easier for you to follow it, to maintain it, and slowly it becoming a discipline in your life. So as you can see in all these 5 tips, that consistency or discipline or forming a habit should not be difficult, it should not be hard work. You should not feel that only when you're working hard or when you're doing everything, that's when you're going to achieve your goal, otherwise you're not doing anything. Like I said, this is not to show it to anyone or show your progress to anyone or your journey, flaunt your journey. This is for yourself. So all these journeys that you see, that all these results that you've seen, they are the result of small things that people have done over time, and they formed a habit. When you look at somebody and you appreciate that, wow, they are working out since years, wow, they show up to the gym every single day. Please go and ask them that how many years it has took to form that consistency and to form that habit. It does not happen overnight, and if you are doing it overnight, you are going to crash. 2 महीने के बाद जिम का मेंबरशिप वेस्ट जाने वाला है, 2 महीने के बाद हेल्थ कोच का जो भी फीस है वेस्ट जाने वाला है, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू गो ऑल इन राइट फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट. Hence, small things, big results. That is what our goal should be. And now when you've set your mood right, when you've set your mentality right, when you've set your discipline and habits right, after that, if you need any tips and tricks of how to achieve your goal, I'll link my other video down below. You can go and check that out. But first, work on showing up. If you've made so far in the video, please do comment the secret phrase consistency down below so that I know it and I will really appreciate it. If you like these small tips and tricks and if they've resonated with you, do give a like and a subscribe, and probably share it with someone who you think will need some help or tips on how to stay consistent, especially now that so many festivals are coming up. Of course, these are just some general tips, but if you need some extra help, extra support, motivation with your journey, or any help at all, you can always connect with me on my Instagram. I'm just a DM away, so just connect over there and I will be there to help you with it. Until next time, stay healthy, stay fit.